Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about interesting chatbot which has different types of AI models in one window. So you can choose any of the AI models and you can generate content using that AI models. So every AI models has its own databases. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI chatbot, how it will works and generate content with different types of AI models. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online MATLAB workshop on power converters, modeling, design and applications. So in this workshop, we are going to model LNC parameters of buck and boost converters, and then we are going to make open loop and closed loop simulation using that buck and boost converters. So after that, we are going to feed that converters with renewable energy sources, that is PV and wind as renewable energy sources. So after that, we are going to incorporate, that is connected with that is the electric vehicle charging station. So the main objective of this workshop is to how to model your converters for different applications and how to make a perfect converter for all your renewable energy applications. So these are the things we are going to discuss in this workshop. Those who are interested in converter design for different types of renewable energy applications, so you can make use of this opportunity. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Freedom GPT. So this is the dashboard of this Freedom GPT. So here you can see that AI models. Here there are different AI models are available. So these are the different AI models you can choose as a choice. So here you can see that Playground, Airborus, Anthrop, there is Cloud, V1, V2, V3, V3 Sonnet. Next all the updated models related with Cloud. So after that you can see Christian Ball, DALL-E, GPT 3.5 Turbo, GPT-4, GPT-4 Turbo, Image Restoration, Image Upscaler, Liberty Live, and then you can see Llama V2, 70B. So next you can see these are the different around 32 AI different types of AI models are available in this particular Freedom GPT. So here you can see these are the different AI models. So you can generate text, all the categories are available. You can generate text to image, image to text, and then image to image, text to video, phone call, music models, image upscaler. So these are the different options available. Let us explore with some AI models. So here in this Liberty you can choose any of the AI model here. So here you can see these are the different AI models available. Anthropic, Cloud 3 Opus, so GPT 3.5. The important thing is that for per message the credit of them will be vary. So for Cloud you can see up to 8 credits. For GPT 3.5 it's only 1 credit. So GPT-4 it is 4 credits. Next Liberty Live it is 8 credits. So like that every models has its own credits for a single image or single message or a single call. So this is all about this that is GPT, that is Freedom GPT. So here for example I am going to select this Anthropic Cloud model. So or you can select GPT-4 also. So here GPT-4 Turbo also available. So you can select GPT-4. So 4 credits will be charged here. So in order to explore this GPT-4 model, I am going to take a random paper here. So random open access journal. So in this open access journal, select any paper. So you can copy any that is content that is for literature review. So we often check for literature review using this kind of chatbot. So here you can copy that 5 different that is references, and you can go to Freedom GPT. So paste here. So and then you can give a input prompt from the above references. Make a literature review with proper citation. So let us see how this GPT-4 answer will be generated. Yes, it is started to generated. So here you can see that literature review on tandem solar cells using metal halide perovskite semiconductors. So let us see how it will work out and how it will generate content. So here you can see that yes, with proper citation. So it is generating literature review. So here you can see that. So this is the next paper, 𝐸𝐻𝐴L 2018. So next you can see 𝐸𝐻𝐴L 2018. Next yes, all the papers are cited here. So the important thing is that so please make sure that all the papers are cited properly. Sometimes it may vary because a single paper will generate more content. So like that you can check it at once. So other than that, it is generating better content only. So here you can see that. So for that it has taken 4 credits. So here this is about GPT-4 model. So I am going to explore it with that is Cloud 3 Opus. So I am going to do the same again. So copy and paste that particular that is, you can see that references, and then give the same prompt from the above references, generate a literature review with proper citation. So like that I am going to use the same prompt, same kind of content using that is Cloud 3 model. So before that we have explored it with GPT-4 model. So here it will different from that particular content. So here you can see metal halide perovskites semiconductors emerged as a promising material for tandem solar cells due to their unique optoelectronic properties. So in this you can see that. So here you can see. So this is how the content generated from GPT-4 model. So and this is what the content is generated from GPT, that is Cloud 3 model. So like that every model has its own databases and is has its own prompt generation, that is content generation techniques using prompts. So thereby you can use any of the models to generate the same content in different types of AI models. So that is very important. So you can choose the best out of it, and then you can go for your research paper writing. So the same prompt will give different results in all the different models. So like that you can make use of this option in this Freedom GPT to generate a better content for your research paper. So but you will be given 50 credits for free. So if you want to earn credits, so you have to tweet about this model. So next important thing is that, so here I am going to settings. So here you can see this is about this settings. You can have this API documentation, so you can get the API key also. So after that, if you want to earn credits, so click on earn credits. So here refer new users, you will get plus 500 credits. Tweet you get 50 credits. If you follow in Twitter you get 50 credits. So these are the different free credit option. So go on and explore this Freedom GPT with the different types of that is same prompt with the and generate content using different AI models. So thereby you can get an idea which AI model will generate a better content for your research paper writing and research paper content. So make use of this option in this Freedom GPT to generate different contents in different AI models. Hope this video will give an aware about this Freedom GPT. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.